Welcome to Magne Fashion. My name is Smita and today we have our non-bridal collection which is very perfect for the upcoming festivals. So if you want to order, you can order from our website which is www.magnetcart.com or take a screenshot of the cloth that you want and WhatsApp us. The details of our WhatsApp number and website link is given below on your screen. So let me start the today collection which is of non-bridal festive wear lehengas. So this is my first lehenga which I am showing you guys. So this is a bandhej lehenga which is of kota patti work. So the cloth quality you can see it's of bandhej, very light wear lehenga, triple color shade, and this is the border where it's a heavy work is done and the work is of lace work. It's not a moti work that will give you a heavy look. It's a very light wear work but it will give you a good look and very easy to carry. So the waist size, it comes with a free size, so anyone who has a waistline up to 40 that is of L size or up to 48 that is of double XL size, it will fit any because we have here this tying system, so you can adjust the length of the lehenga according to your waist size. So the ghera is full. This is the ghera. So along with this you will get a dupatta. So this is the dupatta. So this is a tri-color full shade dupatta. See the look here. This is the look. A very broad lace work and a light lace work here. And this is the choli which is unstitched. So this is bandhej fabric. So you can get it stitched the way the design you want to look. So this complete set of lehenga is at our website or you can order through WhatsApp. The price for this is 1499. So we have different colors in this. So let me show you the colors. This is the second color option which we have and this is of peacock blue color. So this is the lehenga, peacock blue, free size. This is the dupatta for it. This is the dupatta, peacock blue, heavy borders. And this is the choli, unstitched choli, peacock blue, one color. Price is 1499. The third variety is of again shaded. So it has three shades, dark blue, light blue and green. So heavy lace work, free size. The dupatta is again triple shaded and the choli is of one shade which is of peacock blue color. The price is 1499. This shade, the price is 1499. The next color which we have is of very good green color. It's of dark green shade. So it's very comfortable wear and very good for the upcoming Karwa Chauth festival also, very light wear. So this is of dark green. This is the lace work at the border. So it has a dupatta which is of dark green color again, one color. So this is of only one color, dark green shade dupatta. This is the dupatta, dark green shade, and this is the choli. So the choli is of green color, pure green color choli, and here you can see there is a little of lace work here for the lehenga. So once it gets stitched, it will look something like this at the waistline. So this is one color. The another color which we have is double shaded, very nice color. So the color is yellow and red, double shade. The dupatta, this is also of double shade, yellow and red, and along with this the choli which you will get is of red color. So this is the red color choli along with this. So this variant are available and the price range for this is 1499. I have one more variety of lehenga that I am going to show. It's also lightweight lehenga and for that the prices will be 1199. So the first color on that is this is the first color which is of baby pink. So this lehenga also comes with a free size. Anyone who has a waistline up to 48, it will fit perfectly. It has a gota patti work. So you can see this is the work here. So it's not like it's a woven work, so it will not get out. And the border line of it is asymmetric. So there are two designs. One is the lace work and another is the gotapatti work. So, and the cloth material is cotton. So this is of cotton fabric. Very lightweight lehenga. Along with this, so the choli is of pink color, again unstitched. So you can get it stitched the way you look. This is the designer choli, and the dupatta that we have on this is of green color. This is the green shade dupatta that we have. So it's of little contrast look. So this looks comes at a price range of 1199. So in this category we have 4-5 different variants. So let me show you all. So this is my next collection, which is of orange and red shade. So this is the lehenga, asymmetric border line. This is the choli of orange color, unstitched, and this is the dupatta. So this set is at 1199. The third color on this is of pink color, dark and light pink. So this is the lehenga. This is the dupatta, and I would like to show the choli. It has a different choli, this one. It's of lace work, full lace work cholis. You can see it's very comfortable design. It looks like a heavy one, but it is very light. Once the design is full and when you wear it, it will give you a heavy look but very lightweight to carry. So this is one pink design and the price is 1199. In this shade I have one more green color, so I'll show you the green one. This is the green color which I have. Again multi shades of green, little tussle, asymmetric border line. This will be the dupatta for this, and again lace work choli, full heavy look, cotton material, lace work choli of green color. So this set is at 1199. I have one more set which is in orange. So let me show you that. This is the orange choli which we have. So this is the lehenga. Asymmetric border line, orange color. Along with this, the choli that we have is of orange color. So let me show you the choli. This is the orange color choli that will come along with this, and the dupatta on this is again multi-shaded, and the dupatta color is of green. So this is the same green color dupatta which is of multi-shade, which will come along with it. The price is 1199. So if you want to order, then you can order through prepaid facility. That is, you can visit all these products at our website www.magnetcart.com, or take a screenshot and send us on WhatsApp, and you can do the full prepaid payment in advance and we'll ship it to you. The other method that on customer demand which we have bought is of part payment method. So here you will pay 200 rupees in advance, which will be of token money of your order confirmation. The product will be shipped at your address, and once you receive the product, then the other amount you can do it as a COD facility. So this is on heavy customer demand that we have bought the COD facility in. And the courier partners, we have very good courier partners who delivers all across the India. So we have FedEx and Indian Post, so that they can cover all part of the country. I especially want to emphasize that if you are ordering any product, please mention your address, email ID and phone number clearly, so that our customer support team can follow up and we can guide you on this. We will again come back with a very good collection of our new lehengas, sarees for the upcoming festivals, and also kurtis. So if you want the latest update, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page and video, do share it to get latest update, and we'll see you soon with our new collection which will be in the upcoming festival wear. Thank you.